Good afternoon. I'm Mariel Fernandez. How may I assist you today?
I would like to order the breakfast meal.
May I know your name and your room number, ma'am?
Sure, this is Miss Fran of room 106.
Okay, ma'am. Would you like to order for breakfast meal, ma'am?
Okay, can I get some pork beans, brownies, and chicken soup?
Yeah, sure. Would you like to add other drinks, ma'am?
Only water, please.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? You ordered pork and beans, brownies, chicken soup, and additional water. Can I get your order, ma'am?
Yes, excellent.
Okay, Miss Fran. Wait for 15 minutes to deliver your order. By the way, for your payment, ma'am, would you like to paying through debit card or cash?
Okay, wait. I'll pay with G. Okay, wait. I'll pay it with cash.
Okay, your bill is 500 pesos. How much money do you have there, ma'am?
Actually, it's exact amount.
Let me double check your room number, which is 106, and your name is Miss Fran. Please wait and deliver your order is 15 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you for calling room service.
Hello again, madam. I'm here again. May I come in?
Yes, please.
Here's your order, madam. The brownies, chicken soup, and the pork and beans. And also, um, the syrup and the water. I'll just set it up for you. Would you prefer to serve it for you or you should like to serve yourself?
Please serve it to me.
Thank Of course. Here's your plate, madam.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal and have a pleasant, madam. By the way, madam, please sign or signature here for your payment.
Okay. Thank you.